Helicopter 3181 Quebec, winds estimated 150 at 10. Palm Beach altimeter 3007. You can depart the ramp at your discretion. Departure from the ramp is at your own risk. Across from runway 23 as requested.
On to go, 81 Quebec me. All right, you guys ready to roll?
Let's go.
Yeah. Get this thing in the air. Elevator. That's some view. Well, that is the new FAU, Florida Atlantic University football stadium. You can see all these canals you see here on the right, on the left, are all man-made saltwater canals. They all go and connect to the intercoastal waterway and then out the inlet, so you can live 3-4 miles inland here and have a boat or a ski, right, like all these guys, and make it all the way through the canals to the intercoastal waterway you'll see shortly, and then out the inlet. Hillsborough Boulevard, if you're familiar, going east and west, the intersection of Hillsborough and US 1 going north and south. This area here is Lighthouse Point, Florida. You can see all the waterways, island after island, bridge to bridge. Everybody's got that water access here. Everybody's got a swimming pool here. It's my new house they're building on the left with a helipad on top. The Hillsborough Inlet we're flying over. The corner of the inlet, the Pompano Beach Lighthouse. Oh, I got people on the lighthouse. Hey, Alright, 81 Quebec, north that lighthouse. Helicopter 81 Quebec, ready for exchange crew, Boca Tower, 118.42. 81 Quebec. See this blue button right over here? See where my finger's at? Push it gently, give it a small little push. There you go. You get a little boat ride today. Yeah. Enjoy those doors not being there. Yeah, this is Deerfield Beach and the Deerfield Pier. Check out those rooftop swimming pools on the building on the left. Yeah. Lake Boca on the right, that open body of water right there. Neighborhood off to the left called Royal Palm. Big tower on the right, Boca Resort, Waldorf Astoria Resort, tennis courts and the golf course, the country club. This whole built up area here with the palm trees there is Meisner Park, all the shops, restaurants, bars. How'd you like the ride?
Very good.
It was good. Enjoyed it?
Yeah.